Hello everyone, this is Running on Empty Food Review.
Squirrels in my pants! To the land that you understand. Ocean man, the voyage to the corner of the globe is a real trip. Ocean man, princess of the tan and imbibed by the sand, soaking up the thirst of the land. Ocean man, can you see through the wonder of a man?
A few inches later.
At the Oberman. Ocean man, the scissor looser when it cast Lord to the Charlander. Ocean man, the secrets of a life embraced in the sand, soaking up the thirst of the land. Ocean man. Ocean man.
Nah, I need an adult!